So hello, good day. Okay, so today we want to look at this question. So in this question, we are asked that to express, that is by expressing sine theta plus 3 cos theta in this form, r sine theta plus alpha, that we should calculate the maximum value of this expression, right? For which and okay, then also find the angle. So we should also find the angle for which the maximum is attained, right? Okay, if we look at this very well, this r sine theta plus alpha, it can be, the graph can be drawn like this, where the maximum value is r, right? So it means the maximum value of this expression is r, and the angle is of course theta plus alpha, right? So that's the way this is drawn. So which means if we want to get the maximum value of this, what we are asked to do is to find the value of r, right? Okay, so let's go about solving this. Okay, we have sine theta plus 3 cos theta is equals to r sine theta plus alpha. So that's equivalence, right? Okay, so from here now, if we expand this using our compound formula, we are going to have sine theta plus 3 cos theta with r sine theta cos alpha, right? Then plus r cos theta sine alpha, right? Okay, so this is the expansion. So after this expansion, what happens? We compare. This is can be compared with this, while this can be compared with this. We have common sine theta, and for the other one, they have common cos theta, right? Okay, so this is going to be sine theta is equal to, for the first one, r sine theta cos alpha, right? So it means sine theta is going to cos sine theta, and 1 will be equals to r cos alpha. For the second one, 3 cos theta is equals to r cos theta sine alpha, right? Okay, cos theta is going to cut, so 3 is equals to r sine alpha, right? Okay, let's call this one equation 1, this is equation 2. So if we square equation 1 and 2, so if we square equation 1 square, that will be what? 1 square and r cos alpha square. Then if we square this one too, r sine alpha square. So this is going to be 1 will be equals to r squared cos squared alpha. This 9 is equals to r squared sine squared alpha. Okay, so if we add the two together, so let's call this one 3, call this one 4. So equation 3 plus 4, right? So that means r squared cos squared alpha plus r squared sine squared alpha is going to be equals to 1 plus 9. Then r squared will be equals to cos squared alpha plus sine squared alpha, and that will be 10. So we know r squared is equals to 10, and from there r is equals to what? R is equals to square root of 10. So that's for r. We have been able to get r square root of 10. Now, but we need to get the alpha as well. So how do we get the alpha? We divide equation 2 by 1, right? So we say equation 2 divided by 1. Okay, so this is now going to be r sine alpha all over r cos alpha. That will be what? 3 all over 1. So R is going to cos R. Then tan alpha is going to be 3. Right? And from here, alpha is at tan 3. Okay? So that's how we determine, right? The alpha. Okay? So, but from here, from this question, we are asked to what? Find the angle theta for which this maximum is attained. So the angle at which maximum, for sine, the maximum for sine is pi all over 2, right? That's 90, right? That is 0, they have 90-degree difference, 0, 90, and this one is 180, this is 270, and this is 360. So the maximum is attained at pi over 2, right? So that means this angle is going to be pi over 2 to attain that maximum. But we know this one as what? As pi, as tan 3. So what is now the value of theta? Which means theta plus alpha is going to be pi all over 2, right? So it means theta is going to be what? Pi all over 2 minus alpha, which is pi all over 2 minus tan 3. So this is going to be the value of theta that we are asked to find, right? Okay, so here we have been able to find R, then we have been able to find alpha, and we also find the value of theta as the maximum value. So the final expression, of course, is this, which is going to be square root of 10 sine theta plus tan 3. This value is already in the first quadrant, right? It is in the first quadrant, so we don't need to do any other thing in terms of finding the value, because sine alpha is positive, then cos alpha is positive, and tan alpha is positive. So they all belong to the first quadrant, the all quadrants. So that's how we solve. Thanks.